Welcome to Module 2 of our Power BI training course, From Puny to Peerless. This course is designed to take you from a complete beginner to an advanced Power BI user, helping you harness the full potential of the software. This course will equip you with the necessary skills. Let's dive into the world of Power BI and begin our journey. Throughout this module, we will cover essential topics to help to give an introduction to Power Query and the ETL process, extract, transform, load. Basics of M language, including add column, remove duplicates, and unpivot operations. Performing common transformations, such as merging queries, handling missing data, and splitting columns. And a practice task to clean and transform messy survey data using Power Query. We will also follow the instructional format by answering these key questions. What is it, or what are they? How does it, or do they work? Why is it, or are they important? How can I or we use it? Real-world examples, key takeaways, and practice task and solution. What is Power Query? What is it? Power Query is a data preparation tool in Power BI that supports the ETL process, allowing users to extract, clean, transform, and load data from multiple sources. It offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface for data transformations. Why is it important? It ensures data quality by cleaning and preparing raw data for analysis, reduces manual errors by automating the data transformation process, and allows non-technical users to perform complex data operations without coding. Example: an e-commerce company uses Power Query to clean order data by removing duplicates, handling missing values, and unifying date formats. How does it work? Extract. Import data from sources such as Excel, CSV, SQL databases, and APIs. Transform. Apply transformations like removing duplicates, splitting columns, and merging queries. Load. Save the cleaned data to Power BI for visualization and reporting. Power Query generates a series of transformation steps using M language behind the scenes. M language basics. What is it? The M language, Power Query, formula language, is a functional language used by Power Query to define data transformation steps. How does it work? When you perform transformations in Power Query, for example, adding a new column, Power BI automatically generates M code. Users can view and edit this code in the advanced editor. Why is it important? Understanding M language provides flexibility for advanced custom transformations that may not be achievable through the UI alone. Common M functions. Add column. Add a calculated column based on existing data. Remove duplicates. Eliminate duplicate rows from the table. Unpivot columns. Transform columns into rows to restructure data. Common transformations in Power Query. What are they? Common transformations include merging queries, handling missing data, and splitting columns. Why are they important? These transformations ensure that data is in a clean, consistent, and usable format, enabling accurate analysis and reporting. How do they work? Merging queries combines data from two tables based on a common field, similar to SQL joins. Example: merging sales and customer tables using customer ID, handling missing data. replaces or removes null values in the dataset. Example, replace null values in a sales amount column with 0, and splitting columns divides a column into multiple columns based on a delimiter. For example, splitting full names into first and last names. Example, split the full name column by space. Real-world examples. Scenario 1. Cleaning customer feedback data. A company collects survey responses with missing values and inconsistent date formats. They use Power Query to, first, replace null responses with NA. Then, standardize date formats to year, month, and date. And finally, unpivot survey question columns to make the data suitable for analysis. Scenario 2. Merging sales and product data. An organization needs to analyze sales by product category. They merge the sales and products tables using the product ID field. Scenario 3. Splitting address columns. A logistics company receives data with addresses in a single column. They use Power Query to split the address into street, city, state, and postal code columns. Here are some key takeaways from this module. First, Power Query supports the ETL process, enabling users to clean and transform data before loading it into Power BI. Second, M-Language automates transformations, providing flexibility for advanced data operations. Third, common transformations include merging queries, removing duplicates, and splitting columns. And finally, real-world applications include data cleaning, data integration, and report optimization. Practice task: clean and transform messy survey data. Task instructions: download and connect to the survey responses.csv dataset and perform the following transformations. Remove duplicate rows. Then replace missing values in the response column with NA. And unpivot the survey question. Columns Q1, Q2, and Q3 into a normalized structure. Solution steps. First, connect to the dataset by clicking Get Data, then text CSV. After that, select the survey responses.csv file, then click Load. Second, apply transformations. Remove duplicates by clicking Remove Duplicates on the home ribbon. Then replace missing values. By selecting the response column, click Transform, Replace Values, and enter null for the value to replace, and NA for the new value. Afterwards, unpivot columns. By selecting the question columns, Q1, Q2, and Q3, right-click, and choose Unpivot Columns. Finally, save and apply the changes by clicking Close and Apply to load the clean data into Power BI. Expected result: the transformed dataset should have columns for survey ID, question, and response, with no duplicates or missing values. That brings us to the end of this module. Remember, mastering Power BI is a journey, and every step you take will bring you closer to becoming proficient. Stay curious, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next module as we continue our Power BI adventure. You've got this.